Ever wondered how hackers get into your computer? How they just crack passwords so easily? Well, if you want to know, you are just in the right place. Whenever you sign up to make an account of anything, you provide your name, your surname, your email ID, or username and password. So whenever you do so, all this information gets submitted to that server's database. Everything gets submitted as it is in plain text. But what about the password? The password is converted into an encrypted form using a process called hashing. Each company has its own hashing algorithm through which it secures its passwords. Now let's come back to the example of Facebook's database. Suppose there is a security breach and the hacker gets access to all of your details which you submitted in the database, like your name, your email ID, and your hashed password. Still, the hacker cannot access your account because the password is still encrypted. The only way through which he can crack your password is by converting the encrypted form back to the original plain text password. But this is not at all possible because the password hashing algorithms are designed only one way, which implies that the hashed password cannot be converted into the original password once again. So what do the hackers do now? Well, they have to use certain methods to crack your password. The first method of all is brute force method. Brute force method basically means that every single password which can exist in this universe is converted into its hash form and matched with the real hash form to see if they match or not. Well, if you have a strong password, you can actually give the hackers cracking your password a very hard time. The next method which we are going to talk about today is the dictionary attack, which means the hacker can upload a big fat word list considering that the hacker knows some basic information about you or whoever the target is. Then the computer will try out every single combination with those words to see if one matches. If you want to know how to protect yourself from these malicious hackers, then obviously stay tuned for the next one. And please subscribe for more videos. This is TechCuber101 signing off.